So anyway, it is 2:47. Here we go check out the rocket. Yeah.
We going to see a rocket. Rocket Man.
Trying to get there. Like NASCAR pit stop and it's up.
Aww.
Huh?
Silhouette.
Oh yeah, it's dark.
Yeah, it is dark.
Yeah, well, whatever. We're on the road. See?
Yeah. Probably can't see me.
No, we're driving.
But we can see out the windshield.
We're headed north right now.
We're on US 1, heading towards Kitsville.
Cape Canaveral bound. We should be there in about 20 minutes. So we're gonna check it out. Yep.
There it is.
Nice.
Holy shit, dude.
Well, good. I'm glad they got it up.
SpaceX
There it
Rocket. Goes. Holy shit, that is awesome.
Like daytime.
Man, we got like a good spot.
Right across the street
like
from it.
Directly in front of it, and we are the only souls at this park right now.
We'll be able to hear it here pretty soon too, I think.
Yeah, probably.
It's probably gonna come like almost right over us. Not right over us.
As
it goes
zoomed in as I can get.
That's awesome. Fuck yeah.
Woo! Going to space.
That thing's hauling ass right now, dude.
Yeah, it is. Very quiet.
So far. It also sucks because the wind's at our backs. If the wind was blowing this way,
we'd get more sound. That's for sure, yeah.
Hell yeah, fireball here. Bring it. Zoom it out.
That's as zoomed it.
Oh, listen. Because it turns the video. Nice. Oh, I heard a fish. Wow, they must be fucking proud, dude.
That's awesome.
First privately funded rocket going into outer space right there.
Go private sector.
Oh yeah.
Nice. Listen to that bitch burn.
Some serious thrust right there, dude.
Holy shit.
The sound's just now getting over here.
It is leaving Earth.
See ya, rocket.
Later.
That's awesome.
Dude.
I'm glad we could hear it. That was awesome.
That looks so cool.
That rumble was sweet, dude. Dude, it is. That's hauling ass, bro. That thing is gone. Yeah, it's pretty much just a speck now.
Yeah.
Now it looks like a star. The sound's going away.
And this is why I love living in Florida.